If you are on the Paws Airdrop and you are doing this airdrop and you want to get this airdrop during allocation, pay attention. There is an important update that you need to do right now. If you come to the home page and you come to this very end section and you come to this very end game section, you discover this connect wallet via web. A lot of persons are having issues connecting this wallet, and I'm going to show you how to connect it if you're having any issue, okay? And the step-by-step guide on how to do this correctly, because if you don't do it correctly, you may not get this airdrop. Another thing that you need to also pay attention to if you've already connected the wallet is if you go to the home page and you click on your wallet, you discover there is two wallet connection. The first one is the Ton wallet. The second one is a Soul wallet. Now, if you've connected this wallet on the web, you have to ensure that this very address is the same, that is exactly with the one on the web. And this very Soul wallet as well is also the same with the one on the web. And I'm going to guide you through how to do that step by step. So the first thing you have to do if you are having issue connecting this very wallet right here under this very section, connect wallet via web, if you're having issues, you need to do this right now on your Telegram. So you go to your Telegram app, okay, and click on this very three line right at this point. So once you click on this three line at this point, it will open this your setting options. Come to this very setting, click on it. So if you click on this setting right here, it will take you to this very page. Click on this chat settings. So under chat settings, you come right here, scroll down, you will see this very option, in-app browser. Okay, ensure that this in-app browser is on. Now if the in-app browser have been on and you've been having this issue of connection, please toggle it off and on, then leave it on and then go back. Probably if it did not work, ensure you restart your phone or reboot your phone or off your phone and on it, and then you go back to the pause page. Once you've done that, you come back to this very end section under the in-game section, this very connect wallet via web. And then before you click on this very start, ensure that you've downloaded Phantom Wallet. So you can get Phantom Wallet on your device. So if you are using Android, you just go to your app store and click on Phantom. Okay, so if you have Phantom Wallet right here, I will click on Phantom Wallet. My own, they are telling me to update, so I will quickly update it now. If you have not downloaded it, just download it and then create an account. Take the seed phrase down and ensure that you keep it in a safe place, out of reach of children. Once you are done with that, for my own here, I will click on open. You open the wallet. So once you open the wallet, you don't need to put Solana into that very wallet. Just open the wallet. But one thing that is very important that you must have to do is to ensure that there is Solana turn on. There is Solana turn on. Look at it right here. Ensure that Sol is turned on this very wallet. Okay, if it is on automatically, you leave it like that, but ensure that after you've created the wallet, ensure Solana is turned on. Now once you have done this, then you can connect your wallet on the web perfectly, and I'm going to guide you through it right now. So if you go back to the Pause homepage right here, you just click on this very start button. It will tell you to choose a default browser. So I will choose Google Chrome preferably. And if you don't have Google Chrome, you can use Chrome Dev, okay, and any other Chrome derivative. Click on this very Chrome option and it will load the Pause page, that is the web page. Once you come to this very page right here, anytime you open this very Pause page and you are seeing this, it means that you have not connected a wallet, and that wallet needs to be connected, and that very one is the Solana wallet. So if I click on this very drop down, connect Sol wallet, which is very important. I have this Telegram wallet on Ton connected right here, which is the same with my Ton wallet that is on the Telegram mini app. This step is very important for you to get that very airdrop during allocation. So the next thing is you click on this very Soul wallet, okay? And then once you click on it, it will bring out the Phantom wallet that you already created on your phone. You click on Connect Phantom Wallet. Then you click Connect right here. Then this is the last step right at this very point. Click Sign Message. So if I click Sign Message right at this very point, it will take me back and then it will tell me to confirm, okay? And remember, one thing very important, network need to be Solana. That is why you need to turn Solana on, or ensure that Solana is turned on the home page of your Phantom wallet. Once you do that and click on this very confirm button right at this very point, it will connect your wallet, and that very sign will not be there anymore. If you look at it right here, you discover that that very red dot that was showing me that I have not connected my Soul wallet have disappeared. To further confirm it, if you click on this very drop down, you discover that this BCSF, okay, is the same with what I have on my Telegram mini app as my Soul wallet that is connected. This is what you need to do right now, okay, to get your allocation during this airdrop. We don't want to have a situation where any member of this community do this airdrop and they don't get allocation as a result of this very connection. Please ensure you connect your wallet. If you have someone that is on this airdrop that have not connected his or her wallet properly, ensure you give this information, share this video so that that person can connect his or her wallet immediately, because this very airdrop allocation and distribution is going to come very, very soon. So if you notice right here, I have BCSF. So if I go back to my Telegram mini app, okay, if I just go back from here to my Telegram mini app, you discover that this very connection is the same. If I click on this very point and then I click on this wallet right here, you see the same address, BCSF, right at this very point, which means I have done the right thing. And this is what you need to do right now if you're on this airdrop, so that you can be on the right path of getting this very airdrop during allocation and distribution. If you gain value from this video, please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description, and also in the pinned comment for more crypto news, updates, day trading and investing strategy. And if you want to watch my video on the best crypto narrative in this very bull market in 2025, check this video out. It's going to help you. And if you want to know the exact time and the parameter to watch for the altcoin pump this very bull market 2025, watch this video out. It's going to help you too. Thanks for always supporting this channel.